In this video, you'll learn how to add a credit card on Wecasa. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to set up your payment method seamlessly while booking a service. Begin by navigating to Wecasa website or launching the Wecasa app on your device. If you are not already signed in, locate and click the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials, including your email and password, then click sign in to access your account. Once you are logged in, start the process of booking a service. You can choose from options such as cleaning, massage, hair, or beauty. Click on the service you wish to book, and the platform will guide you to the next steps. It is important to note that you should have a stable internet connection to ensure a smooth experience during the booking process. After selecting your service, the next prompt will ask you to enter your address. Fill in the required fields with your address details and click Next to proceed. This information is essential for the service provider to reach your location. Following the address entry, you will be prompted to choose the specific service you want. This could include options like deep cleaning or a specific type of massage. Make your selection, then proceed to select the date and time that works best for you. Keep in mind that availability may vary based on the service and location. On the final step of the booking process, you will see a section labeled Your Payment Method. Click on this option to proceed to the payment setup. Select Credit Debit Card as your payment option. You will then be required to enter your card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues with processing the payment. After entering all required card details, review your information for accuracy. Once you are confident that everything is correct, confirm by clicking the Book My Session button. This action will finalize your booking and process the payment using the card you just added. Remember that large payment amounts may take a moment to process depending on your bank's transaction speed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.